Welcome to mtstechnik workshop. My name is Kacper, I am an engineer here, and in this video I will present a coilover suspension kit designed for B3 generation Audi 90 and 80 in all body variants with front-wheel drive. The kit consists of 4 threaded shock absorbers finished in gold zinc plating, all 4 featuring the hexacoil adjustment nut. Hexacoils, thanks to the use of a tiny clamping screw, significantly enhance the ease of height adjustment. The springs are manufactured by a German company, Eibach. On the front, we've got progressive springs ensuring maximum comfort and excellent driving performance. On the rear, we've got ERS-type springs. Their internal diameter of 60 mm allows for very easy replacement with springs of different stiffness. Also worth mentioning, they have linear characteristic and utilize helper springs that help to provide preload for the mainsprings. Our kit is also delivered to you with dedicated bump stops and dust covers on both front and rear struts, as well as black anodized aluminum spring caps for the rear axle. It's also worth mentioning the option of ordering this kit with dedicated camber plates, or to order camber plates separately. Our camber plates allow for smooth adjustment of camber and caster angles. They are made of black anodized aluminum and steel and utilize a uni-ball bearing, ensuring rigidity and reliability. In the box, besides the kit itself, you will also find 2 mtstechnik stickers, an adjustment wrench, and any necessary documentation, such as an installation manual or TUV certificate. Thanks for watching.